Hi, this is Madison with the Sensory Path. Let's install the Infinity Snake. Don't forget to sweep and mop the floors really well before starting. A clean surface helps the image stick properly. First, I'll cut everything apart. Next, I'll position the snake. From here, I'll apply 2 pieces of tape to both sides of the snake to hold it in place. Then I'll peel back a section to expose the backing and trim that portion away. Once the backing is removed, I'll press the exposed part of the snake firmly onto the floor. At this point, I can remove the tape and lift the snake to peel off a section of the backing. In my left hand, I'll hold the backing, and in my right hand, I'll use my squeegee in a smooth wave-like motion to press part of the image down. Next, I'll use the same method to apply the remaining images, working section by section for a smooth and secure finish. If you feel like your lines didn't line up exactly, we include extra filler pieces to help blend the discrepancies. Thanks for watching!